Love is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. 'Tis the season for love and understanding. Merry Christmas. Suck your mum. Yes, people, we are here with an exclusive unboxing of the Off-White X Nike Waffle Racer. Hope you enjoy my nice little festive song at the beginning of this unboxing. And before we get into the boxes, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button because it really does help the channel. So, I've been a fan of the Off-White collection, but these, oh Jesus, they're special. I mean, what is that? It's a no from me, Jeff. I'm sure you're going to moan at me in the comments for being negative, but there's not a lot you can be positive about. Coming in 3 different colorways, it's traditional Off-White. We have shoelaces on the shoelaces. We have these weird little plastic overlays coming on the extra laces because, I mean, what more could you ask for? You got 2 pairs of laces on one shoe. It's pretty crazy. As well as Off-White branding coming on the inside of the sneaker and then the traditional orange hang tag on the swoosh. But they seem to have They've covered them in some bubble wrap, and I don't really know why. It's a crazy shoe with running spikes underneath that are rubber, so you can't actually run in them. So it's not even functional. And this is a women's release as well. So you know what? You won't even be able to buy them if you've got above a 9.5. These are a UK 9.5, I'm a 10. I can fit into them quite comfortably though. So you could go half a size down on these. But compared to other waffle racers, I mean, this is a waffle racer, and that's a banger of a shoe. This is an absolute and this one's even worse. So let's get into the box. Apologies already for all the people in the comments that don't like me being honest, but you know, I'm not going to make you spend your money because you shouldn't be for these. I'm not going to lie, the last Off-White release actually is still available on Nike, which is crazy considering the height of these sneakers. This black version is even worse than the white, and I'm not going to lie, the blue version's even worse than the black version. So, you know, they're not really doing very good bits with these ones. And yeah, for £120, you're getting a different shoe. I don't really know what else to say. As I said, £120, and you would be able to fit into them half a size down, in my opinion. I did walk around in the office in them. I mean, it added an extra inch or so on height because of these boys right here, but they will wear away as soon as you use them on the concrete. So if you wear these away, they might look a little bit better. They might look a bit better in the bin as well, I'm not going to lie to you. In terms of resale, there probably won't be much to them, so don't even cop them to flip them. And I'm not going to lie, I'm just looking forward to the Off-White Dunks, and there will be an unboxing of them bad boys coming very soon. And I will be securing myself a pair of them because they're an absolute banger. Virgil Abloh, maybe go back to the drawing board with these ones because, yeah. I've been Chris from the Soul Supplier. This has been the Off-White X Nike Waffle Racer, and we'll see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing. And make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button. See ya. Pull 'em out, lick 'em out, suck 'em out, friend.